let's talk about creating a dot plot when we're giving a data set. And we are going to label the gaps, peaks, and clusters as well when we do that. So this data set, it looks like has 0, 4, 1, 0, 2, 4, 1, and 6. So we want to find what our smallest and our greatest value are, and that's going to help us set our scale. Remember, your scale has to be even, just like it says here, which means you have to go by all ones or all twos or all threes, all fours, etc. All right, so my smallest value is 0. I'm going to start this off with 0. And my largest is 6, so I'm going to go from 0 to 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. From there, remember each dot represents one piece of data. So I am going to put a dot on each piece of data, just like I'm saying. So I see a 0, I'm going to cross it off, and I'm going to put a dot on 0. I see a 4, I'm going to cross it off, and I'm going to put a dot on 4. A 1, another 0, so put it right on top. A 2, a 4, so put it right on top. A 1, and a 6. All right, so that is our dot plot. Remember, each dot represents one piece of data. I had a total of 6 pieces of data, or actually no, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 pieces of data, and there's 8 dots on there. And now I'm going to label my gaps, peaks, and clusters if I have any. So I'm going to start off with peaks. Remember, a peak is like a mode. It's what occurs the most. And in a dot plot, it's like a mountain peak. It's going to be the highest point. So in this case, I see not 1, not 2, but I see 3 peaks, because there's 3 values that all occur the most frequently in this case. All right, so peaks are done. Now I'm going to do gaps. I see a gap in the data right here because there's nothing there, right? Like a gap in your teeth, there's nothing there. And then I see another gap right there. What about cluster? Cluster is a group of data that's in a small area. And I see right here a cluster of data, right? That's a lot of data points in a small area. And that is how you create and label a dot plot.